Hello friends, my name is Ravi and I am going to show you how to browse Excel file using VBA. So first of all I have to open my workbook, it means Excel workbook, and after that we need to click in developer tab. By the way, developer tab is not open here, you need to click Alt plus F11. This is the shortcut to open Visual Basic Editor. After that you need to click here insert and then click module. So in module we have to write here the code we have to write here sub browse files, open file. Now we define the variables which is defined with dim as string, and now open file is equal to application dot get open file name, then start small bracket, then option is giving here file filter column is equal to then excel files star dot xls star comma, then the same thing I am copy paste here, and then close double inverted comma, then close small bracket, right? And after that the second option, if we want to write the title, thereafter title we can write here title is equal to select file, right? And this code is too long, so if you want to convert, keep in second line, if that condition a space and underscore we have to write here to keep in a small bracket, to keep uh, to keep in second line. And then how it open, then what to do now, then we are applying the condition if open file name open file is equal to false, then message box double inverted comma start, it means I'm writing the text here, no file is selected, right? And close double inverted comma, then after comma vb exclamation you can choose here, then exit sub, right? And else workbooks workbook workbooks.open what, so file name is equal to what, open file, which I have choose here, which we have choose here, right? So open file and then in if, and we can check with the debug mode. Then we have to write check here with F8, 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 F8. Then the option is showing here Excel file, but I'm choosing the another location in desktop. Only Excel and xlsm, it means macro enabled file, is open here, and we have chosen Excel file.xls in code. This code, it means xls.xls is showing here, excel file.xls, and this is the extension name, and the title is also showing here, select file, which is showing on the heading part, right? And if I choose open any of the files, suppose that I am going on desktop, and suppose that test file is showing here, so test file I have selected and then open, right? Selected and then open, the file is new file is open here, right? So this is the code, and after that I close this file, and after that we can perform the task. Whatever we want, we can write here something. If we want to import from another sheet to this sheet, thereafter we can perform the task. This is the browsing option, and I think this will help too much to you. I will show you the another thing in another video. Till then, you can like, subscribe and share. That's all. Thank you.